Hey guys, Laura here, Mother for Jesus, and also Royal Oak Bubble and Suds. And today I want to share with you the cleaning planner that I am going to be putting up on my blog for a free download. But first, I want to give a shout out to Janelle, who is the creator of Shantalia Designs. It is her website where I got all of the graphics for this planner for free. And I'm actually going to take you to her site right now, Shantalia Designs. And so she not only does all of this for free for us, but she even makes it really easy. I had been wanting to create a cleaning planner and had been trying to come up with some digital graphics myself, and I just wasn't having a good time doing that, and I really couldn't find anything. And so lo and behold, Sunday she comes out with an email, and it's her cleaning set. And it was perfect. So you just tap on her themed sets and she has them here in alphabetical order. They're named. She has all the holidays. Even though she's in Australia, she does give heed and respect to the US holidays, which is really nice of her. And so you just tap on her cleaning. So in the planner, I have used her digital paper for the cover, but I do not have any of her digital artwork in there. This is her art. If you want to use these, like her cleaning word art, for stickers, just come to her website and download it yourself. And then she has elements in different colors. And what I liked about this set was I have a girl and a boy. So I have like the pink and the lavender for my daughter, or lilac. And then I have the sea green and the sky blue for my son. Sea green is actually one of his favorite colors. So let's move on to the planner and I'll show you what I have there for you there. So this is the planner that you're going to get. The planner, it has sections on top, and we have been very busy here between, the kids and gymnastics and taekwondo. My older son, who is married, came to visit last week, and he looked at me and he said, "Mom, you're really, really busy." And I said, "Oh, it only took you 29 years to see how busy I am." So between the homeschooling the kids and church and house cleaning and gymnastics and taekwondo, and I am in the process of trying to open up my own small business, it can get a little crazy. And so this digital planner does help. So across the top, you have your zone cleaning, which are your rooms, and I have some basic rooms there. But over, you'll see there are some blank slides here, and that is because you can go ahead and title them any way you want. I will show you how I use that in a minute. And then along the side here, I have for individuals, and I will show you how I did that. And then here at the bottom, I have monthly, every 3 months, 6 months, and yearly. And what this does is it helps you to keep track of everything that you've done. And so I'm going to click over to my planner, which I titled it Paulson Cleaning Planner, to show you just how I set mine up. So I didn't bother putting a title on the front. I probably will at some point. So if you look across the top, I have an extra room, my school room. As I said, we are homeschoolers. So what I do for the zone cleaning is tap on kitchen. So if I send the kids into the kitchen, I itemize in a list form what I want them to do. This helps because it knows exactly what needs to be done, and then they can go ahead and check it off for accountability. Now, on the side, I have their names, and I have 4 sections. I only have 2 children living at home with me, although I do have 4 kids. And so what I do is I have a morning, evening, and afternoon planner for them. And so it just gives them a list of things they need to do to help the house run smoothly without me having to tell them. So my daughter empties out the dishwasher, and my son does what we call poopy patrol. We have a dog, and he cleans up the junk from the yard from the dog. And then in the afternoon it helps, and then in the evening it just gives them something to hold them accountable. So now in the section on the side, we have the monthly. And this is great because I can just stick in the time and the date. And one of the things we always have trouble remembering is to change the AC filters. Our air conditioning is also our heating unit. And so once a month we have to change out the filters, and boy, do we forget. So having it written down, every month I just go ahead and put in the date. And then when I get a chance, I'll take a look at it and then change out the date every time we do it. So whatever you feel you want to do monthly, you go ahead and put on this list. And then I have a date section. Every 3 months, I don't really have too much. Oh no, I'm wrong. So every 3 months I have the kids give the garage a good cleaning, getting rid of their toys. And then my 10-year-old likes to use my husband's blower, and he'll just blow every bit of dust out of the garage. And then we have our 6 months and then yearly. So if you're doing your spring cleaning or your washing of the windows, you have that written down and you can just write the date that you've done it. So how does this help you? Well, for me as a mom, when my kids are cleaning, I just waste a lot of time telling them what to do next or double checking with them and saying, hey, did you do this? Did you do that? That wastes so much of my time, and it really does waste their time as well. So this gives them a list, and as they go through it, they can just go ahead, check off, or they can use some of the stickers that I've included, and I'll show you that in a minute. But basically, if I see something not checked off, I'll say, oh, hey, did you guys forget to wipe down the appliances? And they'll say, yeah, we couldn't find something. And it's just a way for me to check with them, but I don't have to waste so much time telling them every little detail that I want them to do. And the same is helpful when we take a look at their daily morning, afternoon, and evening. So I have included in here stickers because, as you all know, I love my stickers. So for those of you who have used or have downloaded my free Procreate stamp for stickers, you can go ahead and use the colors here to create your own stickers. Or you can just use the ones I've included here. So these are just transparent and solid stickers. You can go ahead and customize these pages. I don't have any templates with this because you can just cover up what I have. So let's say you don't like this. So you could just pull that sticker in and cover up what I have there. Any way you want. And so these are just some different stickers I created. You use them any way you want. And then with the planner, my son will usually just write and just do this. My daughter likes to use the stickers, and so I have these cute little X's that you can, copy and paste and put 20 in there if you want. And so when she's done, she'll either slide them over to her planner or she will just, make her little X marks. And then my kids actually have iPads that are under my name on the iCloud so that they can, when they check it off, it syncs up with my iPad and I can see what they've done or what they've not done. So this comes with your stickers, this comes with the planner, and your planner won't have any names on it. There you go. And so I really hope that this blesses you guys. And lastly, my son has started a ministry. So for those of you that are scared right now and you have a lot of questions biblically about what's going on, he has a ministry he started, foolishministries.com, and I'm just gonna type this out for you. And he has videos. The entire ministry is free, so you guys can, all right, I guess I have my font very small right now, but that's okay. We'll do this. And so I know that right now there are a lot of people who are fearful with stuff going on right now, and this is a great way to help yourself from being scared and to kind of take a look in to see what our hope is for the future. So I really hope that you guys enjoy the planner. Head on over to foolishministries.com and don't forget to head on over to Shantalia Designs and show Janelle some love. Have a great weekend.